Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Power attached and battery adequate because hardware may refuse to wake on low charge. First, press the power button briefly. Next, try a keystroke or mouse movement. These are immediate wake signals. If you use external displays, wiggle the cable or press the monitor input button. Broken video links can look like sleep. Once done, watch indicator LEDs and fans spin. They tell you whether the system accepted the wake command or remains in low power state. You now diagnose why the machine won't resume. On Windows, check Device Manager and Settings to ensure keyboard, mouse, and network adapters can wake the PC. On macOS or Linux, inspect PMSet or systemd suspend configs. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to verify ECP and Wacom LAN settings. Disable fast startup if it causes conflicts. Use power cut commands or system logs to see last wake source and blocking requests, because logs point directly at drivers or apps preventing resume. You finish by applying fixes and verifying recovery. Update display, chipset, and power drivers. If an update introduced the issue, roll back and reboot to test. Reset BIOS defaults if configuration errors persist, then re-enable needed options one at a time to isolate the cause. Make sure to unplug non-essential peripherals and attempt resume, because a faulty USB device often blocks wake. If it still fails, boot safe mode to rule out software, and consult event logs for the single most telling error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.